Namaste, beautiful souls. I welcome you all to my channel Lighthouse Tarot 369. Dear friends, this time I am present in front of you with the topic, why are you so stressed? So, what is it that is giving you so much of stress? This time we do not have any pile actually. Only in case if you are stressed and you believe that there are some reasons which you are not aware of, then you can go ahead and watch this reading, right? So let us first of all take some cards and then we will go into the reading, right? So first of all, let us try to find out the reasons of your stress, right? So what is it that you are missing in your life right now? What is it that you are missing in your life right now? Okay. And what are the outside circumstances that are causing this stress? What are the outside circumstances that are causing this stress? Oh, we have got so many cards. I only want one card, please. What are the outside circumstances that are causing this stress? What are the outside circumstances? Again, so many cards, please. I want only one card. Yeah, dear friend, it seems that you people are really so much stressed that I'm not getting the card so easily. Fine. Now, what part of your behavior is making your stress worst? Let us see what part of your behavior is making the stress worst. What part of your behavior is making this? Fine. So this card wants to come out. Okay. What is the best way for you to relax right now? What is the best way for you to relax right now? I'm sorry, I only want one card. What is the best way for you to relax right now? One card, please. What is the best way for... Oh my God. My dear friends, I pray and I wish that your stress just vanishes as early as possible and you come out of all these things. Okay. Right. Okay. So we have got your cards, right? And now we will go into the reading. Before we start the reading, let me get something so that I can show you the cards. Okay. So I hope this is visible. This height is better, right? So what are you missing in your life right now? So my dear friends, as you can see, the card exhaustion has come. This means that you are badly tired, right? And you actually need some rest. It seems that you have not been sleeping well since many nights. What is the reason behind that, right? We will try to find out that as well. But you are actually having sleepless nights, you are working whole day and then you are not taking enough rest or you are not getting enough rest. This is what the case is, right? Probably workload is such at your workplace that you get exhausted by the end of the day, and because of that, after coming home you are unable to take enough rest, or probably emotionally you are badly wounded and that is causing stress for you. So this is what actually you are right now missing in your life. You are missing a good you can say time, you are missing good sleep, you are missing good peaceful time right now in your life, right? uh, the next question that we had was like, what are the outside uh, circumstances that are causing this stress, and in that we have got a receptivity. So this indicates that at present actually you are feeling very emotional, so much so that it is a sort of emotional turbulence for you. You are not able to control your emotions. All negative emotions are actually, piling up in your heart, you can say. Uh, so because of that, you are right now disturbed. This emotions rather, no, it is not only one emotion. All different types of thoughts and emotions are actually, and you have become so much receptive. Whatever negativity is coming from outside, you are uh, accepting it, you are taking it. Actually you should take the positivity, but right now your state of heart, it is not state of mind, I would say. Your state of heart is such, which is so sad, which is so moody, which is not, ready to go and enjoy with friends, which is something like so sad. uh, you are actually preferring being lonely, you are avoiding people, you are only, doing your you can say regular day routine work, and then you are all yourself, all alone, and then recollecting all those sad moments or sad memories. Those moments which were once upon a time very good for you, but now those moments and those memories are actually giving you pain, and you are recollecting and recalling all those things, and by doing so actually you are making yourself sad. So actually you should, come out of that if you really want to be happy, if you really want to be out of stress. Because see, what has happened, what is done, it cannot be undone, right? Then, like, simply because something has happened, see, it can be anything. Either something bad happened at your workplace, or in your relationship, in your family, anything might have happened anywhere. But then because of that actually, you are now in such a state, like you are completely shattered, you can say a heartbroken person. Because basically you are an emotional person, you are the one who is very emotional, who loves taking care of people, who does everything for everyone around him or her. But then you have got something in return which has actually, given you pain. And this is something, this is the outside circumstances, right? Whatever past memories and all those things are there, they are causing this problem for you. Next card that we have is what part of your behavior is actually making it worst, right? What part of your behavior is making this stress worst? And we have got the guidance over here, a card of guidance. Now, what I understand over here is that there are people around you who are trying to pull you out of this stress, but then you are not ready to accept their suggestions, you are not ready to accept their guidance, you are not ready to accept whatever they are saying. You need to understand that, see, God cannot be everywhere, right? He or she cannot bring you out of everything anytime. But right now actually, uh, the best thing is that all those people who are around you, they are like angels, right? They are the angels who are actually trying to bring you out from this stress. They are the ones who are trying to give you, you can say, uh, a life, a normal life. They are the ones who want you to lead and live a very stress free, beautiful, blissful life. But then you are not listening to them, you are avoiding them. This is what your behavior or your way of thinking or working or behaving is, and that is actually making the stress worst. It is making the stress worst because, when, say, friends, there are things, there are at times you become so helpless, right? And things are just out of control. But then we need to come out of that, and when we fail to do so, people around us our family members, our friends, even sometimes strangers also come and help us. But then when they guide or when they suggest, we should accept those things, and you are not doing it right now. Next is the best way for you to relax right now is change, right? So this is what is really wonderful card. It is telling you to change. You have to come out of this. Change means you have to come out of this, right? Stop thinking about old days, past memories, past incidents. Come out of them. You have to change, right? You have actually suffered a lot. This is what you are right now. Sleepless nights, right? And lot of you can say thought process is going on right now in your mind. What you need to do is you need to change. How will you change? To change, you have to, guidance is already available. You have to accept that guidance, right? So if you do that, definitely everything will be all right. So you have to change. See, this is the card which is telling you that already the learning, whatever learning was supposed to be there has already happened, right? And the times are now changing, but you have also to change yourself with that. You have to change along with that, right? As you can see, this wheel is moving. So bring in that momentum again in your life. Go out, meet your friends, spend some time in library, go and read some good books, go and watch some good movie, go on some good walk, go on some small vacation, right? You need time for yourself. So this is what actually you have to do, and this is what the best way for you to relax. First of all, how will you relax? First of all, just come out of all the negative thoughts, just come out of all the pain. I know it is really very difficult, but then already universe is providing you this. Accept it, right? Don't ignore. And once you accept it, then this is very 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 easy for you, right? You can do that. And when universe has sent us in this world, it doesn't want us to suffer, right? Yes, whatever past life karmas are there, we have to like clear all the debts and everything. But then once it is done, change occurs, and when change occurs, you have to accept it and you just change yourself. This is what I say, because as this is very clearly seen over here, that you have like been so much wounded because you are an emotional person, very emotional person, very caring person, the one who has always taken care of each and everyone around him or her, right? And when they were treated badly, they are exhausted, they are broken. But out of that now, right? This is like they you have got so many sleepless nights, as I told you, a lot of thought process going on in your mind all together all the time, and that is actually causing a problem for you. But then God has already sent this to you. Listen to your friends, listen to your family members, listen to this reading, right? And do change. Ch- Definitely you will be all right. Definitely you will be all right. Okay. So now let us see, right? What message do we have? What else do we need to know? I'll take one or two cards from this. What else do we need to know about this present state, and how, like, what is, how can you come out of it? Let us see how can you come out of it. Some more tips. Okay, this wants to come out. Okay, see, beautifully the energies are getting connected, friend. One more card please. One card please. One card at a time. Okay, so we have got, see, renewal. So you need to renew your energies, you need to renew everything around you. You can go on small vacation, you can just do some meditation, right? This is where wherein you need to actually work upon your root chakra. Get connected. You actually have disconnected yourself from others, so this is where you need to actually connect yourself. And then I'm sorry, actually I got disconnected. uh, and then we have this another card of enlightenment, right? So as you can see, right, this child actually is asking, there is some guru. So either there is somebody elderly person in your home around you who can guide you through the enlightenment. Like, who can, what type of enlightenment? I am not asking you to become the Buddha, right? But yes, you need to actually leave behind all your uh, emotional fatigue now, right? Come out of that emotional fatigue and give some time to yourself. Remember, everything lies within, right? So this is what actually the universe wants you to understand, that you have to actually come out of everything that you are suffering, right? I'm sorry this was right now there. So my dear friend, I really wish that you come out of this stress. uh, you are such a wonderful person. Take care of yourself. Meet the people around you. Listen to the people who are telling you to come out of your trauma, right? I know it is difficult, but it is not impossible, because God is there with you. Angels are there with you. So I wish you a very, very, very blissful life ahead. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like my video, please do like and subscribe it, so that I am encouraged to do more such readings. Thank you so much, wonderful souls. We'll meet again. Till that time, bye bye, and take good care of yourself. Thank you so much.